Hello everybody, this will be a quick Bitcoin and Ethereum update for April the 12th. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Anyways, what I'm looking at on the 4-hour time frame was the bounce from this golden pocket. If we take a fib from the swing low down here to the swing high, we did get a good bounce out of this golden pocket. I was expecting us to kind of come down lower to this 39K region. It could still possibly happen, as this is also a current year. If we take the volume profile from the full year, or the range right here, you can see that was also a point of control, meaning there was a lot of volume transacted at this level. And so that would have been a very common support, because what price usually likes to do is range within a value area where usually we get a bounce off of the point of control when we're coming down, and then a possible rejection at the value area high, along with a possible support at the value area low. But right now, the next major resistance I am looking at is mainly this value area high right here at around 43,000. So that is just something to keep in mind. If we go towards our current local analysis, let me go down a time frame. We can see we have a golden pocket and a value area low, all just kind of coming in at around 42,200. That is a possible rejection I am looking at. Also just coming a little bit higher too. We have another volume area range value area low coming at around 43,100. And I do expect us to get a rejection, somewhat of a rejection off of here, just based off of what the 24-minute time frame is doing. Just looking at that. If not, there is a possibility that we could come up to 43 or 44,300, but that doesn't really seem too likely. Again, I'm still expecting us to come down possibly a little bit lower, take out these lows right here, and then get a move up. So that is just what I'm looking for on Bitcoin for the most part. On Ethereum, we did not get a bounce from the golden pocket from the swing low way down here to the swing high up here. That is coming out around 2,700. There's also a minor local golden pocket at 2,900. If we take a fib from this swing low to the swing high up here, we just front ran that. Again, Ethereum likes to follow the path of Bitcoin. And so in that case, Bitcoin started pumping and Ethereum decided to start pumping. But however, we did get a bounce off of it daily at 295.50. So I'll just delete that on my chart. But anyways, just for local resistances that I'm looking at, there's one at 3,181. This is a golden pocket and a value area low from this little range right here. And then if we do come up a little bit more, there's a lot of confluence in this sort of region where we have a 786 and a 0.5 fib, plus a value area low at around 2,200 or 3,240. This is also a naked daily point of control in a daily level. So a lot of confluence there. Usually confluence is what you want to see when you're looking for trades. And just looking at the current time frame in Market Cipher, could be a possibility on the 24-minute we could get a rejection, or yeah, that looks kind of probable. Possibly the 1 hour, if this momentum wave right here doesn't go above this momentum wave, we could get a move up to this level and then reject off of it. If we get bearish divergences, as you can see, the money flow is already in the negative, and the money flow back at this trigger wave, or anchor wave actually, was in the green, or the blue I should say. So it could be a possibility. Anyways, let me just delete those. Going back to Bitcoin, I'll go on the Coinbase chart just to analyze what's going on. We are getting a negative money flow crossover and a red dot printing. There was a blood diamond printing on the weekly time frame, but however, that did go away. There is a possibility too that we could come down to 35K and just retest this parallel channel. However, I feel we've been raging around the bottom for a while, and we're due to come up for the high, or at least the medium of this parallel channel. But again, there's a low, not too much of a possibility since we are getting a red dot printing on the 2-week time frame. However, you can see the money flow has been kind of resetting and has been coming up on the 2-week time frame. Monthly VWAP just kind of going sideways. So until these really red dots disappear or VWAP decides to take a turn, I believe the monthly will just kind of leg sideways. So it'd be a sideways market for a while. Again, if we go to the daily, money flow is coming down. VWAP is just kind of resetting. Momentum waves are resetting. So this could be a little money flow reset while we get it pump up. That is just kind of what I'm looking at. 3-day. Looks like it's just kind of resetting. The RSIs do look to be a little bit overbought a little bit. And the VWAP is just kind of resetting again. 2-day, we might get a VWAP curvature coming up if the daily decides to print a green dot. This is a minor pullback. Again, we're still making higher lows if we go to the daily time frame. You can see that this was kind of the start of the move. We did get a anchor wave on the daily time frame, and this kind of looked like it was the low of the money flow. So you can see the money flow curvature just kind of making its way move up, and this was the low of the money flow curvature. We did make another lower high, and this confirmed that we were kind of starting a bullish structure, and so this could be a possibility that we did make another lower high, and this could be another possible move up where we kind of pump up and go above this higher high right here and possibly look at around 50K region. So that is just what I'm looking at. Again, just my own opinion. It probably won't be right, but you never know. Possibilities are out there. Remember, trading is all about probabilities and not what's going to happen. So again, please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Plus, I'll leave a link in the description to a free Discord where I post all my trades along with other people starting to post their trades. And so feel free to check it out. Thanks. Bye.